Break free of your routine and head out on the trails with the Starlite Mesh Backpacking Tent. This compact, lightweight shelter fits in your pack with ease and sets up just as easily. To set up, start by removing the tent, rainfly, and tent poles from the storage bag. Spread the tent out on a flat surface with the tent floor against the ground. Assemble the poles and carefully slide through the corded pole sleeves. Insert the pin from one of the tent corners into the pole end ferrule. Then repeat to carefully push the remaining corner pins into the end ferrules. Now that the tent is standing upright, lay out the rainfly with the top facing up and the zipper towards the front. Pull the fly over the tent with the zipper on the front side. Hook the corner bungees of the rainfly to the rings at each corner of the base. Extend the guy ropes at each end of the fly and make a loop at each end using the slider. Place the loop over the tent stake and adjust the slider to make the guy ropes tight. This tent features a durable bathtub-style floor with breathable mesh. Keep the rainfly on for colder weather, or remove and stare through the mesh ceiling for optimal stargazing.